Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
All right, here we go. The Intamin launch coaster here at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Our first ride. Here's Ariel. Oh my God, here we go. Finally. Oh, there we go. First launch. Oh, hang time. Whoa. Oh, nice axe. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Mashing switch track. There we go. Oh, wow, 2 launches. Roll back. Oh my goodness, that freaking drop! Oh my God, we're about to be ejected! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hang time! Oh my God! Yes! Oh, that is fantastic! Oh my God, the launch was so good between the bunny hop. That bunny hop is everything everyone hoped Copperhead Strike was going to be, and it wasn't.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And it's so weird how it like had 2 launches between the hump. Like I was not expecting that. That was so good. And it feels so cold and so slow. I can't.
Yeah.
Can you imagine when we ride this in June or July? Oh my God, your hair is amazing. All right, that was Pantheon. That was well worth the wait. I don't know, like Terran Velocicoaster, it's right up there with those 2.
More, yeah, like Orlando Glasgow. I think I do
too. It's so different. Like it's, I don't know. Wow, this is, wow, next gen Intamins are so freaking good. All right, let's
hopefully get another one.
let's hope so. All right, but 2 thumbs way up.